Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students and respected parents. Hope you all will be good with the grace of Almighty Allah. In this video, I am going to explain second home task for class 3 of subject English for the month of May 2020. Dear students, take out your SVTs that you have received, and I hope you are done with the previous SVT that was for the month of April. This SVT is for the month of May and it is your second home task. The subject is English. Okay students, look at the first question. It is handwriting, and the handwriting sentence is given to you from unit 3, the apple. It is an poem. It is a poem. Okay students, the apple, and the sentence is I drew a door and windows. You have to write this sentence 5 times in the space below. Be very neat and clean. Okay, write this sentence 5 times in the given spaces below. The sentence is given to you from unit 3, the apple, and this is your first question. The sentence is I drew a door and windows. I drew a door and windows. Okay, this is your first question and it is of handwriting. Your second question is write the plurals of. Singulars are given to you. These are 5 singular words and you have to write plural of these words. So your second question is write the plurals of. I have done this for you. Singular, okay, these are 5 words and the plurals. Now the first word is foot. Its plural is feet. You will change double O to double E and your plural will be feet. The second one is friend. Its plural is friends. You will just add S at the end of friend. Third one is bus. Plural is buses. You will add ES at the end of bus. Fourth one is city. Okay, the plural is cities. You will remove Y and will add IES and the plural will be cities. Okay, and the fifth one is town. Towns. You will just add S at the end of town. Okay, dear students, so these are your singular and plurals. Okay, your third question is related to masculine and feminine. The third question is write the feminine of. मतलब मुज़क्कर मुअन्नस है, आप लोगों को मुज़क्कर दिए गए हैं, मुअन्नस लिखने हैं यानी फेमिनिन लिखने हैं. Masculine, feminine, these are also 5 words. You have to write the feminine of these words as I have done for you. The first one is hunter, huntress. Okay, the first one is hunter. Its feminine is huntress. You will add ESS at the end of hunter. Okay, huntress. The second one is uncle and its feminine is aunt. AUNT, aunt. The third one is brother and its feminine is sister. SISTER, sister. The fourth one is bull. Its feminine is cow. COW, cow. And the fifth one is horse. Its feminine is mare. MARE, mare. What is its feminine? Mare. MARE, mare. Okay, so these are your masculine, feminine. It was question number 3. Okay, question number 4 is related to writing forms of verb. These are very simple. Your question number 4 is write the forms of verb. First forms are given to you. These are also 5 forms of verb. ये आपको दिए गए हैं and you have to write their second and third forms. Okay, the first one is jump. So second and third form is jumped, jumped. You will add ED at the end of jump and you will have your second and third form. These are the same. Jump, jumped, jumped. The second one is smile. Okay, the second one is smile. It is also similar to jumped and jumped. You will add you will add just D at the end of this word smile and you will have your second and third form, that is smiled, smiled. The third word is talk. Second form is talked, talked. What you will add? You will add ED at the end of talk and you will get your second and third forms. These are talked, talked. Okay, this fourth one is stop. The fourth one is stop. The second form is stopped, and third form is also stopped. Okay, in first form you will have single p like stop, and in second and third form the spelling will change and it will be stopped, 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 stopped. So what we added ped at the end of stop. The last one is write. Its second and third forms are different from each other. Second form is wrote, 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 and the third form is written, written, written. Write, wrote, written. Okay, so this was your question number 4 about writing forms of verb. Okay, dear students, your next question is choose the correct answer and write under the given questions. What is the next question? Choose the correct answer and write under the given questions. आपको correct answers दिए गए हैं. What you have to do? You just have to choose the correct answer and write it under the given question. Alright students, I have done 2 for you and you have to write the third and fourth one. Okay, so let's read the answers first. The first answer is the bus conductor collects the bus fares. The second answer is there was no door in the old buses. The third one is people walked or used bicycles, horses or donkeys to travel before cars and buses. And the fourth one is the conductor has a bag of money and tickets. Well, our question number 1 is what was not there in old buses? कि पुरानी buses में क्या नहीं था? What was not there in old buses? So the answer is already given to you. Just choose the correct answer, and the correct one is there was no door in the old buses. It is second number. There was no door in the old buses. You have to write it in the empty spaces given to you. The second question is who collect the bus fares? बस का जो किराया है वो कौन कलेक्ट करता है? So the answer is given, that is the bus conductor collects the bus fares. The bus conductor collects the bus fares. Okay, this question number C is what does the conductor have? कंडक्टर के पास क्या होता है? Just choose the correct one and write it here in this space. What does the conductor have? And the last question for you is how did people travel before cars and buses? कि लोग cars और buses से पहले, इनकी इजाद होने से पहले, इनके आने से पहले कैसे सफ़र करते थे, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाते थे. So how did people travel before cars and buses? Okay, the next question is underline verbs in the given passage and write them in given space below. What is the next question? A passage, a paragraph is given to you. First read the paragraph and then underline verbs in the given passage. Okay, what are verbs? Verbs are action words. Okay, verbs क्या होते हैं? वो words होते हैं जो हमें actions के बारे में बताते हैं. So I have underlined 2 verbs for you. Just first read the paragraph. That is, the driver does not collect the fares. It is from unit number 4, the buses. The driver does not collect the fares. The conductor goes to every passenger and gives them the tickets. The passenger gets up from the seats and get down when their stop comes. The driver starts again and moves on. Okay, अब इस पैराग्राफ में जो verbs है आपने 6 verbs अंडरलाइन करने हैं. Look at spaces given to you. 6 verbs आपने अंडरलाइन करने हैं. यह अंडरलाइन करने के बाद यहाँ पे लिखना है. क्वेश्चन 2 में डियर स्टूडेंट्स 2 टास्क हैं. एक अंडरलाइनिंग करनी है पैराग्राफ में, दूसरा इन एम्प्टी स्पेसेस में लिखना है. द फर्स्ट वन इज कलेक्ट. आई हैव अंडरलाइन इट हेयर एंड ऑल्सो रोट इट हेयर. Okay, like this. The second verb is goes. I underlined it here and then wrote it here in the given space. In the same way, you will write you will underline the rest of the 4 verbs above, and then you will write it in the spaces here. This is your question, that is, underline verbs in the given passage and then write them in the given spaces below. Okay, question number 3 is write the words that match the clues. Okay, this exercise we already did this exercise in your rough copies. This is write the words that match the clues. क्लूज़ दिए गए हैं, 10 क्लूज़ है, और वर्ड जो हैं वो यहाँ पे हमें दिए गए हैं. एज यू कैन सी दीज आर द वर्ड्स. इन क्लूज़ को देके आपने इनके सामने जो करेक्ट वर्ड है वो लिखना है. और राइट, लाइक हॉस्पिटल, सो द मैचिंग वर्ड इज़ नर्स. पूल, द वर्ड इज़ स्विमर. बस, ड्राइवर. स्कूल, टीचर. ट्रैक्टर, farmer. Plane, pilot. Horse, jockey. Jockey is the man who rides a horse. Okay. Garage, mechanic. Field, footballer. And boat, sailor. Okay, note it down with yourself and write it very clean in your SVTs. Okay, the next question is you have to write 5 sentences on my favorite toy. Okay, what is your task? You have to write 5 sentences on the topic my favorite toy. Alright, I have मैंने आपके लिए फेवरेट जो टॉय है वो कार के ऊपर लिखा है. And if your favorite toy is some other thing, like if it's a doll or it's another kind of toy, so आप उसके बारे में लिख सकते हैं. So the 5 sentences are: my favorite toy is a car. The first sentence is my favorite toy is a car. The second sentence is it is green in color. It is green in color. The third one is it has 4 wheels. The third one is it has 4 wheels. The fourth one is it runs very fast. What is the fourth one? It runs very fast. And the last and the fifth sentence is I play with my toy every day. I play with my toy every day. These are your 5 sentences about the topic my favorite toy. Okay, the next question is about making sentences. Okay, the 5 words are given to you. You have to make sentences on these 5 words. I have done the first 2 for you, and you will write the rest of the 3 words. First word is coat, and the sentence is I have a long coat. You have to write simple sentences and which you can understand. Okay, coat, I have a long coat. Buttons, she found buttons in the bag. She found buttons in the bag. The third word is apple. Write a sentence on it. Fourth one is sun, and the fifth one is tired. Tired means thaka hua, exhausted. Apple, sun, and tired, and the first 2 I have done it for you. Okay, so this is the end of SVT for the month of May 2020. It is your second SVT. Alright, dear students, when you are writing your SVTs, be very neat and clean, because these marks will be included in your midterm examination. Okay, dear students, good luck for your SVT.